Hello everyone, I'm Lieutenant Rick Raymond with the Hennepin County Sheriff's Office Water Patrol Unit. The boating season officially kicks off this Memorial Day weekend, and we want to make sure you have everything you need for a safe boating season. And we want to make sure you're keeping yourself and children safe around all bodies of water. I have 6 quick tips to keep you safe while you're in the water. First, always wear a life jacket, especially when you're on a boat. We can't stress this enough. Make sure there are plenty of life jackets for everyone on board and make sure they properly fit each person on the boat. Second, always be respectful on the boat launch ramps. Prepare your boat and equipment before you position yourself to launch. And make sure your drain plug is in before you put your boat in the water. Third, know the boating rules and regulations and become familiar with the water markers. Also, slow down in the no-wake zones. If you need any of the lake rules or maps of Lake Minnetonka, all of our Water Patrol deputies carry them. Flag one of us down and we'll be happy to give one to you. Fourth, something new this year on Lake Minnetonka is the shore zone rule. This increased from 150 feet to 300 feet this year. What that means is it's no wake inside that 300 feet to shore. This will help reduce damage to the shore and stop erosion so we can keep Lake Minnetonka full and healthy. Fifth, drinking and boating is never a good idea. As the driver of the boat, it is your responsibility to keep everyone on board safe and to make sure everyone on the lake feels safe around you. The last thing you want to do is spend the weekend as a guest in the Hennepin County Jail. And finally, sixth, don't be a nuisance on the water. Keep the music low, don't follow water skiers too closely, bring your trash back to shore and dispose of it properly. Be polite and give a wave. Being on the lake is all about having fun, so enjoy yourself. For everyone swimming, once again, wear your life jacket, especially children near lakes, rivers, pools, and ponds. Also, know the water before you jump in. You never know what's hiding underneath an unfamiliar body of water. Know your limitations. If you're getting tired during swimming, it's probably time to get out and take a break. Finally, we never leave our children unattended near any body of water. Put down the phone and use active supervision. Stay within arm's reach at all times. We hope these tips will keep you safe. We'll see you out there.